Today I am reviewing the Apple AirPods Max wireless over-ear headphones. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links. When it comes to redefining what premium headphones should sound and feel like, the Apple AirPods Max stand proudly at the top of the list. These are not just another pair of wireless headphones. They represent Apple's vision of what ultimate personal audio should be. From the moment you hold them, you can sense the meticulous craftsmanship and design excellence that Apple is known for. Every curve, every texture, and every material choice contributes to an experience that feels both luxurious and purpose-driven. The first thing that grabs your attention is the acoustic-first design. Apple has gone above and beyond with a knit mesh canopy that distributes weight perfectly across your head, paired with memory foam ear cushions that mold to the shape of your ears for incredible comfort. These headphones don't just rest on your head, they embrace it. Whether you're listening for 10 minutes or 3 hours, the comfort remains consistent, and the ear cups seal and sound beautifully for a truly immersive experience. But of course, what matters most is the sound. And this is where the Apple Design Dynamic Driver works its magic. The AirPods Max deliver high-fidelity audio that's nothing short of breathtaking. Every note feels precise, every beat has depth, and the clarity across lows, mids, and highs is studio-grade. You can hear layers in your favorite songs that you might have missed before. This isn't an exaggeration. It's the result of computational audio powered by Apple's H1 chip in each ear cup, constantly adjusting and optimizing your listening experience in real time. When it comes to blocking out the world, the pro-level Active Noise Cancellation is simply phenomenal. Apple has refined its ANC technology to remove up to twice as much background noise compared to previous generations, allowing you to focus purely on the sound. Whether you're flying, working in a busy cafe, or simply trying to relax, the silence it creates is impressive. Yet, when you need to tune back into reality, a simple switch to transparency mode lets the world in naturally. You can have a conversation or stay aware of your surroundings without removing the headphones. And that seamless switch feels almost magical. Now let's talk about one of the most futuristic and impressive features: personalized spatial audio. This isn't just a gimmick. Using the shape of your ears and dynamic head tracking, the AirPods Max create a 3D audio environment that adapts as you move. It's like having a private surround sound system that travels with you. Watching a Dolby Atmos movie or listening to a live concert mix feels incredibly realistic. Sounds come from all around you, not just from the ear cups. It's immersive, dynamic, and deeply personal. Apple has also paid special attention to the design and usability. The digital crown, inspired by the Apple Watch, gives you precise control over volume, playback, and even calls. The tactile feedback is satisfying and practical, a nod to analog precision in a digital world. And with automatic switching, you can move effortlessly between your iPhone, iPad, and Mac. You could be listening to music on your iPad, receive a call on your iPhone, and the AirPods Max switch instantly. No buttons, no delays. It's these thoughtful details that make Apple's ecosystem so seamless. Another welcome update is the move to USB-C charging. Now you can use the same cable to charge your AirPods Max, iPhone, Mac, or iPad. A quick charge delivers hours of playback, and the battery itself lasts an impressive 20 hours with active noise cancellation and spatial audio enabled. That's more than enough for long flights, commutes, or full workdays. And of course, Apple didn't forget about aesthetics. The AirPods Max are available in 5 beautiful colors: midnight, starlight, blue, purple, and orange, each one designed to suit different personalities and styles. The midnight color in particular feels elegant and understated, giving a modern, professional look. You also get a color-matched smart case, which helps preserve battery life and protects your headphones when not in use. In daily use, these headphones feel truly intelligent. They automatically pause when you take them off and resume when you put them back on. The pairing process is instant. Just bring them near your iPhone or iPad and tap Connect. No fuss, no setup, just music. And thanks to exceptional call clarity and advanced microphones, phone calls and video conferences sound crisp and natural. In summary, the Apple AirPods Max are far more than just premium headphones. They're a complete audio experience that merges comfort, style, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're an audiophile, a creative professional, or someone who just wants the best, the AirPods Max deliver on every front. They bring the kind of polish, depth, and intelligence that only Apple could deliver. If you value uncompromising sound quality, luxurious comfort, and flawless integration across all your Apple devices, then the AirPods Max and Midnight might just be the perfect upgrade for you. These headphones redefine what wireless listening can be: a mix of elegance, innovation, and pure, breathtaking sound.